Once upon a time in a small German village, there lived a boy named Emil who loved puzzles. Not jigsaw puzzles, but shape puzzles, how things fit together. One day, while mixing things in his tiny home lab, he tasted something sweet and smiled.
Hmm, Emil said. What makes sugar sweet, and why do some taste sweeter than others?
"'Cause I'm a sugar, and I'm shaped just right."
Suddenly, a tiny voice squeaked. Emil looked down. A sugar cube with glasses was hopping around on the table.
Who what are you? I'm Professor Glyco. Sugar isn't just about taste. These are all sugar molecules, said Glyco. There's glucose, fructose, maltose, so many kinds.
It's about shape. Chapter 2. The Sugar Forest. Professor Glyco took Emil on a journey through the sugar forest, where each tree had branches shaped like hexagons, rings, and spirals.
But how do we tell them apart? If I draw them this way, they look like keys. Wait. With your brilliant brain. Look at how they're connected. You, Emil, can figure it out. Try to draw them. I'm Pepper the protein. I'm made of teeny pieces called amino acids.
Maybe these sugars are like keys that fit into special locks. As they walked through the forest, a stretchy, twisty creature bounced toward them. Emil's eyes widened.
"You're shaped like a spiral. Does your shape matter too?" "Absolutely. If I change shape, I might stop working. I help build muscles and carry messages. Shape is everything."
Back in his lab, Emil scribbled furiously in his notebook.
I'll call it the lock and key model. Each sugar or protein fits only the right enzyme.
Sugars and proteins have different shapes, and those shapes decide how they work. He invented ways to draw sugars and figured out how amino acids link to form proteins, he exclaimed, like puzzle pieces. Chapter 5. The Science Hero. When Emil grew up, he shared his discoveries with scientists everywhere. He won the Nobel Prize for explaining how sugars and proteins work, but he never forgot the sugar cube and the protein that showed him the way. Now, every time a kid eats fruit or learns about cells, a little piece of Emil's puzzle clicks into place.